Today, I've completed more than 36 years. I started this company at the age of 20 as a school dropout guy. From my pocket money of 100 rupees was my capital. And I bought a one lathe machine with the Barter sisters and started my career as a machinist. I started a small company called as a Jyoti Enterprise. Rajkot is traditionally a conventional lathe and milling machine area. So on those days also, there were more than 200 plus lathe manufacturer was there. So I started my career as a machinist and to make a component for them. Slowly we started manufacturing our own assembly, sub-assembly, and then the machine, and then complete the lathe machines. So 89 to 97, we learn a lot how to make machines, a conventional lathe and all like that. What is a metal cutting and all like that. We started manufacturing the special purpose machines and all that. 97, 98, I realized that the computer is coming a big way on a nation. And without a computer, there is no future. So we integrated this computer into a machine. So it's called as a computerized numerical control machine, as a CNC machine. We built, designed and developed the first time at our Rajkot in 97, 98. And thus Jyoti CNC has born as a complete a machine tool company. In the last 27 years, almost 3 decades, we are more than now 3,500 people as a team. Close to 14,000 plus customer base, various industries, auto component, general engineering, valves, pumps, aerospace, defense, and now in upcoming market called the electronic manufacturing, called as an EMS industries like that. We are a fully vertically integrated company. We are making our own castings. We are making all critical components, sub-assemblies, like spindles, turrets, tool changers, rotatables, ATC, and all the precision components are required for the other machines there. Apart from that, we have our own R&D center we call it as a Leonardo da Vinci Center. More than 150 designers are working towards to every day to make it fulfillment of our customers and designing a new features and new quality or level of the machines on like that. Many complex machines we make turning machines, milling machine, multitasking machines. They are the combine of a turning, milling, grinding, gear cutting and all together. We call it as a multitasking machines. When we started this our CNC journey, we were realized that we need somebody who should contribute to our technology part. And we come across in 2007 to be Huron Grafenstaden. Huron historically, this year is 198 year. Is the oldest company in the world on a milling machine there. Earlier, the Huron, owned by the Alstom and the group there, it was a large company. The entire town today was here called as a Grafenstaden. You see that today we have expanded our new facility in France, in a center part of Europe, the place called as Strasbourg. And we have made one of the most beautiful factory over here. In 2003, when we made our own vision, mission, we made all our core values and all. And one of our mission is a propelling technology and prospering life. Our journey is toward to betterment of the life of the people across the globe. And we would like to definitely to be participated very well to all our manufacturing industries and provide them the best technology, quality, precision, and the most innovative part in the world. And that's our dream. And that's why we are here to the all part of a globe to serve to the humanity over here. Exactly 18 years back on a same day today, we have signed a paper and we entered the first day was today there. And we have completed over here is an 18 year of a wonderful journey to be there.